Hello and welcome to Montezuma. Today we're going to show you the Montezuma waterfalls, but before we're going to start our hike there are a few things I'd like to mention about the Montezuma waterfalls. First of all, the entry to the waterfalls is only 5 minutes from town. It's a fairly easy walk. The entry is absolutely free. If you come by car, you'll pay 1,000 kilometers for parking. There's 3 waterfalls as you can see. The first one is the biggest one, also the most visited, 27 meters high. The second one 12 meters high and the third one is 4 meters high. To get to the first waterfall, like I mentioned, is free, and then you will find some stairs. Here, halfway through, you enter a private property, for which you have to pay 1,000 colones per person, which is $2 roughly, to get to the next waterfall. The hike itself, although relatively easy, is quite adventurous. Following the river all the way down to the waterfall, you have to do a little bit of climbing and jumping stones. But if you don't want to be like Indiana Jones, or this is just not your thing, you can also go around the longer, less adventurous way. And it wasn't for long that we reached the famous waterfall and discovered why the hassle to get here really is worth the trouble. You can also jump off this rock or use the Tarzan swing for more excitement. As you can see, it's an amazing place for all ages to spend the day, go for a refreshing swim, get a tan and enjoy the spectacular view. You can climb up to the next waterfall by getting up a steep wall using vines, rocks and tree roots to get up. Adventurous, yes, but also dangerous as there are no safety precautions and an ambulance will not get here to pick you up. Once at the top, there's an actual trail leading towards the next waterfall. When we reach the end, as like you can see, we have to go down these ropes and again without any safety features. And this is actually quite a challenge and a bit tougher than it looks. So, what would you have done? Climbing the wall or taking the stairs? Let us know in the comments below. Right over there is the top of the first waterfall. Behind this ledge, the second one. And there is number 3, with a nice pool to swim and enjoy. And as you can see, there's plenty of people enjoying this beautiful spot.